Are you managing multiple stakeholders and clients? Nova makes it effortless to manage stakeholders while keeping your internal information secure. When collaborating with clients, your team can seamlessly handle internal processes, notes, and tasks within Nova. For instance, imagine using our visual whiteboard where any notes and tasks added will remain invisible to external stakeholders. This allows you to include information about the client or provide updates on the team's progress without the client gaining access to it. For example, you could have information about the client here and notes for your team that your client will never get access to while keeping the whole process and all the decisions in one place. You can easily invite stakeholders to all project sessions or individually select specific sessions to involve them. Nova automatically generates a customized agenda for each external collaborator, providing real-time visibility of meetings, asynchronous meetings, and tasks they need to participate in, along with associated deadlines. This personalized agenda adapts in real time, reflecting any changes to deadlines or work sessions, ensuring stakeholders stay updated. This is just one of the many time-saving features Nova offers for stakeholder management. I encourage you to explore our platform further to discover all its functionalities. With Nova, you can collaborate with stakeholders during meetings, asynchronously share tasks and documents with them, and hold them accountable, all without the need for manual effort. Experience the ease of stakeholder management with Nova.